wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is not my regular setup. My hair looks crazy. I am missing a nail and there might be an eyelash stuck in my hair somewhere, but I just had to make this video real quick because I hadn't been here for a minute. Okay, I'm talking like back when the only sales you could expect from Sephora were the two, fall savings and spring savings. Then they started adding like another little winter sale. There's like another summer sale, and I think I might have even seen some like Black Friday sales from them before. But am I missing something? Did I miss the memo? Because since when did Sephora have a Cyber Week? I was on the app, I saw them talking about a Cyber Week, so I had to do a video real quick in case you guys didn't know, because I also wanted to get this up before it ends because today's already Friday. So you guys want to know more? Let's go. So like I said, I pulled up the app and I saw them talking about a Cyber Week peak, and basically they have been having like 30% off on specific brands since Monday. So Monday was Fresh, Lancome was Tuesday, Tarte was Wednesday, Sunday Riley was Thursday, and then today they saved one of the best for Fridays. But it makes sense for it being Friday because Fenty Beauty Fridays is a thing. So today is a Fenty Beauty. They have 30% off. It excludes fragrance though, but you ain't missing much on the fragrance. So looking at this, let's see. Products from Fenty Beauty that I would recommend you pick up today. Of course, Gloss Bomb. Gloss Bomb is now $14.70. They also have Gloss Bomb Heat, which is $18.20. Matchstick, $22. The Invisimatte Instant Setting and Blotting Powder, $25.20. The original foundation, the matte one, $28. Yeah, from what I see, those are the ones worth picking up today. And then tomorrow, Saturday, is Kiehl's 30% off. Sunday is Makeup Forever and Carolina Herrera, 30% off. Oh, they're doing two. Okay. And then Monday, the last day, the 27th, is that, what is it, Give by Gwen Stefani. I haven't tried that brand. This might be the time to actually check it out. It's going to be 30% off. And Youth to the People. But also, if you look at the top, it says Black Friday weekend sale, 50% off. Black Friday sale, 50% off, select phase all weekend, the best deal of the season. Let's go through and see if there's any deals in here that you should actually check off because it's 50% off, which I really don't remember that from child. Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. It's now $30. It's usually $60. Benefit, you already know how I feel about Benefit, but their brow products are ones you should actually not sleep on. So the Precisely My Brow Pencil is usually $26. It's now $13. That is worth checking out. I've been hearing people talk about these. I think I might have tried them maybe once, but the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Daily Peels, extra strength daily peels, are usually $30. They're now $15. So if you do use that, this might be the time to stock up. Oh, they also have they have a red and orange. So the orange was extra strength, and then orange is universal daily peel, which is also $15. Sephora's collection has a complete makeup brush set that is usually $49. It is now $24.50. Sephora brushes, Sephora's brand, really shouldn't be slept on. It is slept on, but it shouldn't be slept on. And also the Kiehl's Hydrate, this is body lotion, right? Yes, that body lotion is usually $34. It's now $17. If you want hydrated skin, let's see. Oh, okay, that's the end. Well, there were a couple in there that I would recommend. I don't know if these products are going to change throughout the weekend or if like this is it. Like these are the items that we have 50% off this weekend. If you do like Too Faced, Urban Decay palettes, stuff like that, there are some of them on there. So, and Tarte, so maybe check that out. We know why I didn't point any of them out specifically, but there are some things in there that you might want to check out. There's a Milk Makeup Lash Primer. Thoughts? Because again, this is like my first time paying attention to their Black Friday and stuff like that, because I usually feel like Black Friday, their sales are like on Sephora's collection, not necessarily like other brands. But again, I don't pay attention on that, so don't quote me. I think the Cyber Week thing is cool, like having specific brands be on sale every day. 30% off, especially for Sephora, is something to look to. And the brands that they picked, Fresh is a good brand, Lancome is a good brand, Sunday Riley, Kiehl's, Makeup Forever, You to the People, and of course Fenty Beauty. I like this roundup of brands. You know, they do have the Carolina Herrera. Do they give you a sneak peek? You know, I think like nice little balance between makeup, skincare. We could have had a little more on fragrance, because baby, that is the point of these deals. Okay, you want deals on things that you normally, you know, it costs a little bit more money. Baby, don't nobody want no sale on something that only costs $10. It only costs $10. Give me the sale on something that costs $2.50. Thank you. Oh wait, I just scrolled down. Mark your calendar for more deals. So they have free sample bags from Sunday the 19th to Monday the 27th while supplies last. Up to 50% off select beauty Monday the 20th till Monday the 27th. Okay, is this it? Okay, see, this is what I was talking about. Like, you click on the up to like 50% off on makeup, and it's Sephora collection, Sephora collection, Sephora collection, Sephora collection. Oh, I see Shiseido, Shiseido, Tarte, Milk. It's mostly just Sephora collection. Oh, okay. Ulla Henriksen's Fat Glow Facial Mask. Baby, if you want to talk literally facial in a mask, it's usually $52. It's now $26. Go ahead and get that. I'm telling you, look, it's glistening. Actually, let me go ahead and add that to the cart. Tom Ford Traceless Soft Matte Foundation is usually $90. It's now on sale for $45. I might check this out myself, because actually, let me know if you guys want to see a foundation video on that, because I don't believe I've tried that foundation, and it has 4 stars. Okay, and I do see up to 50% off fragrance from the 20th to the 27th. Hold on, wait a minute, wait, it's not loading, hold on. Why that don't want to load? Let me try it again, okay. That's just what I was saying. You could have included more fragrance. Now I'm trying to click on, and it don't want to load. Don't piss me off. Something went wrong. Let's try this one more time. Okay. You might just have to scroll through fragrance to see which ones are. I see Armani Beauty between 90, it's usually between 92 to 158. Now it's 55 to 94. Mugler Alien Goddess is usually 35 to 180. It's now $20 to 108. Valentino is usually 35 to 156. It is now 22 to 96. Yeah, you might just have to scroll through. Invite Only from Kayali is usually 25 to 138. It's now 19 to 104. You're just gonna have to scroll down and see, because it's not, at least for me, it wasn't loading when I tried to see directly which fragrances are having sales. YSL's Black Opium, usually 95 to 138, is now 57 to 82. Okay, they got something, little something when it comes to fragrance. The other Mugler Alien Goddess is on sale. Let's see what else quickly. Victor and Rolf, Good Fortune, Tom Ford Velvet Orchid. Tom Ford doesn't have many. good fragrances. That is one of them. Another Tom Ford, doesn't even have the name there, but it's on sale for $95. Clean Reserve. Okay, yeah, you're just gonna have to scroll through those to see which ones they have on sale. You know, given what Sephora used to give, this is a step in the right direction. You know, some of the brand choices are especially for the 50% off that they're having for the Black Weekend, the Black Friday weekend. But I do see some things, especially, and you know, everyone's taste differs in what brands they use and what products they may need. So literally, just go check it out. There might be something there for you. I am pleasantly surprised, shocked. Like I said, I might even need to go make a purchase myself. Let me know if you guys knew that in the comments down below, and any other deals that I might have missed on the site, because literally that was just a one over. But yeah, if you didn't know, I'm here to let you know. You know, always here to help you spend a little bit more money. But yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.